Welcome to the world of C file handling. In this video, we will explore the essential techniques for working with files in the C programming language. File handling involves the process of creating, reading, writing, and manipulating files, which are stored on a disk. It is an essential aspect of C programming. It enables data persistence and allows for storage of data in your programs. Let us get started. Let us discuss the basic file operations in C. The first step in file handling is opening files. This involves establishing a connection between your program and the file using the fopen function. The next operation is reading files. Here you extract data from files using functions like fscanf, fgets, and fred. Writing to files is another crucial operation. It allows you to store data in files using functions such as frintf, foots, and frite. Finally, closing files is necessary to terminate the connection between the program and the file, using the fclose function. Now let us explore the common file access modes in C. The first mode is R, which opens a file for reading. Note that the file must already exist. The next mode is W, which creates a file for writing. If a file already exists with the same name, it will be overwritten. The mode A is for appending to a file. If the file does not exist, it will be created. The mode R+ opens a file for both reading and writing, but the file must exist beforehand. The mode W+ creates a file for both reading and writing, and overwrites the file if it exists. Lastly, the mode A+ opens a file for both reading and appending. If the file does not exist, it will be created. It is important to know that adding B to the mode string indicates that you are dealing with binary mode operations. Examples are RB, WB, and UB. After you have completed your file operations, it is essential to close the files using the fclose function. The syntax is int fclose file *file _pointer. Fclose returns 0 on success and EOF on error. For example, to open and close a file, you would first declare a file pointer using the file keyword. Then you would assign it the result of a call to fopen, passing the name of the file such as data.txt, and the mode such as R for reading. Then you check if the result is not equal to null. If that is indeed the case, then you can add your file operations there. Finally, you would call fclose, passing it the file pointer fp. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.